Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, but also on the iOS you can install HUAWEI Connect application. It's not available for Android right now, but maybe HUAWEI add it to the app gallery in the future. You can install it also. Open the application. If you use HUAWEI Life, click at the headphones at the device list. And now we need to enable awareness mode. So it's the same as transparency. As you can see, if I click on it, I need to put at least one earbud to my ear. So let's do this. And we enable it. Right here we have voice mode, and we can enable or disable it. So for me, I didn't hear huge difference if I enable or disable it. The one difference that it reduce a bit surround sounds. And that's it. So I tested with my friend, I spoke, he spoke, and nothing changed. It do not increase voice volume. So I don't understand why this mode exists, but still we have it and you can test it. Maybe the problem only in my headphones or just useless, but still we have it. Also, you can manage transparency mode. If you go to the gesture control, press and hold, you can disable some of this mode. If you don't need ANC or normal mode, you can disable it and you will switch with a gesture between, let's say, ANC and transparency. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.